Have you ever asked yourself, why does everything I try seem to fall apart? Have you ever wondered why, despite your efforts, things just don't go your way? Why your relationships feel strained, your job leads to dead ends, your health feels fragile, and life feels like an uphill battle every single day? Could it be that something not outside of you, but within you, is quietly stealing your blessings, draining your luck, and closing the doors to peace and prosperity? Welcome back to the channel, your place for awakening the unseen patterns that shape our lives. Today we are going to talk about something uncomfortable but critically important: self-sabotage through unconscious actions, seemingly small behaviors that actually deplete the invisible energy of merit, virtue and fortune that would otherwise support your success. You may think you're unlucky, but what if it's not bad luck? What if it's blocked fortune caused by habits you didn't even know were harmful? Let's dive into the core truth. Your blessings are not just gifts, they are earned, and they can be lost. And often, the thief is disguised as your own ego. Let's explore the invisible enemies of your destiny. Common behaviors that seem normal, but are actually karmic drains. You'll go deep, you'll be honest, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to stop doing if you want to reclaim the flow of good fortune that you were always meant to live in. 1. Complaining without gratitude. This is one of the most silent killers of blessings. Every time you complained, even just in your mind, you are reinforcing lack. You are telling the universe, what I have isn't enough. And the universe, which mirrors your energy, says, all right, then let's give you less. Now this doesn't mean you pretend things are perfect when they're not. It means you train your mind to find something to be thankful for before you speak about what's wrong. Wise teacher once said, gratitude is the incense that summons abundance. Complaint is the smoke that chokes it. Imagine two people in the same job. One complains daily, this job is boring, my boss is annoying, I'm underpaid. The other says, it's not perfect, but I'm thankful I have a place to grow. Who do you think gets promoted? Who gets unexpected help? It's not just luck, it's karmic magnetism. 2. Gossip and criticism. This one is hidden, it feels harmless, it even feels fun, but the karmic cost is massive. Every time you speak negatively about someone behind their back, even if they never find out, you are leaking your merit. You are telling the universe, I delight in others' flaws, and so you attract people who delight in your downfall. Why is gossip so dangerous? Because it's rooted in ego superiority. And the ego must always be defended, often at your own expense. True power is silence in the face of others' mistakes. True kindness is protecting someone's dignity, even when they're wrong. And true self-care is preserving your blessings by staying out of karmic debt. 3. Ingratitude toward parents and teachers. This one may sting, but it's spiritual law. In many Buddhist traditions, the merit from respecting parents and teachers is considered the foundation of all virtue. Because they gave you life and wisdom, even if imperfectly. And if you curse the roots, how can the tree grow? You may say, but my parents hurt me. Yes, that may be true. Acknowledging pain is necessary, but carrying resentment is different. Resentment cuts your karmic roots. There are monks who meditate for decades, yet their practice doesn't blossom, because they never resolved their anger toward their mother. And there are people who, after bowing to their parents in tears, even if the relationship is distant, suddenly find their career or health improve. Forgiveness is not for them. It's for your blessings to return. 4. Wasting food, time, and resources. Every wasted meal is a missed opportunity to thank the earth. Every wasted hour spent mindlessly scrolling is a missed chance to grow. Every ignored opportunity to help someone is a lost ripple of merit. And the universe remembers. Spiritual practitioner once told me that before he was awakened, he wasted everything: money, food, chances. After he started practicing mindfulness, he began blessing his meals, scheduling his time with intention, and helping others even in small ways. Within months, his life began to accelerate, not just spiritually, but materially. New job offers, better health, deeper peace. Because he closed the leak. He stopped letting fortune drip away through unconscious living. 5. Lying, especially to yourself. This one is subtle. Most people think lying just means saying something untrue. But the deepest lies are the ones we tell ourselves. I'm fine when you're breaking inside. It's their fault when you know you played a part. I'm spiritual while secretly competing, judging, and boasting. I'm doing my best when you know you're avoiding growth. These lies cost you spiritual alignment, and when you are not aligned, your blessings bounce off your field. Honesty, well, painful, humble honesty, is the beginning of restoration. The moment you face your inner shadows, even if you whisper, "I've been wrong," the universe leans in, because now you're in truth, and truth is the magnet of miracles. So what should you do now? Start here with a simple vow. I will stop stealing my own blessings. Say it, in it, I've it. Then take these steps. Replace every complaint with a gratitude. Hold your tongue when tempted to gossip. Thank your parents, even silently. Eat with reverence, spend with care, live with attention. Speak truth, especially to yourself. You don't need to become a monk. You don't need to chant all day. You just need to stop leaking light. Because your destiny is not denied. It's just waiting for you to stop blocking it. Let me ask you, what habits do you now realize may have been stealing your blessings? What will you do differently starting today? Share with me in the comments. Let's create a wave of awareness and stop this silent sabotage. Like, subscribe, and share this message with someone who feels stuck. Maybe this is the key they've been waiting for. Until next time, guard your light, protect your merit, and walk wisely.